the screen.
Offset, you have to have some kind of a compass or gyro system to establish the heading of
Satellite-based augmentation system
to achieve sub-meter accuracy.